In today's video, I will walk you through how to use custom timeframes on MetaTrader 5. When you have MetaTrader 5 open, look across the top of the platform. You'll notice the standard timeframe buttons, including M1, M5, M15, M30, and several others. These are the most common timeframes available and can be selected directly from the toolbar. However, there may be times when you want to use a different timeframe that isn't displayed across the top of the screen. For example, you might want to view a 3-minute chart instead of one of the standard options. To do that, move your cursor onto the chart itself and right-click anywhere on the chart. After right-clicking, a menu will appear. From that menu, look for the option labeled Timeframes. Move your cursor over Timeframes, and another menu will open. You'll notice that the common timeframes are listed here as well, but you'll also have additional options available. If you're looking for a custom minute-based timeframe, move down to Minutes. Once you open the Minutes section, you'll see several available choices, starting from 1 minute and going all the way up to 30 minutes. For this example, select 3 minutes. As soon as you click on 3 minutes, MetaTrader 5 will switch your chart to the 3-minute time frame. You'll immediately see that the chart is now displaying 3-minute candles. If you want to change to another custom time frame, simply repeat the same process. Right-click anywhere on the chart again. Select Timeframes from the menu. Then choose the category that contains the time frame you're looking for. For example, if you want to switch to a 2-hour chart, open the appropriate time frame list and click on the 2-hour chart. As soon as you select it, the chart will update to display the 2-hour time frame. You can repeat these same steps whenever you want to move between different custom timeframes that aren't shown on the main toolbar. Instead of being limited to the buttons across the top of the platform, you can access additional timeframe options directly from the chart menu whenever you need them. That's all there is to using custom timeframes in MetaTrader 5. Simply right-click on the chart, open the Timeframes menu, choose the time frame you want, and the chart will immediately switch to your selected time frame. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.